Okay. We're gonna get rid of Taylor's hiccups. We're gonna get rid of Taylor's hiccups, but we're not supposed to be loud. Shh. Okay. We're gonna plug her ears and her nose, and she's gonna hold her breath and drink water all at once. Watch this. Okay, ready? One more time. Are you good? Yeah.